Good morning and welcome back to On the Go Ketos. We are on our way to spend the day at Hollywood Studios. So we're just going to show you what we're doing to try to stay on track with our keto. We brought already cooked bacon and we boiled some eggs before we left the house, and we just put them in this large carton so that we can carry them here easily. So we'll have that for breakfast along with coffee. We brought our cream. And then also we packed our lunch to take to the park using the egg life wraps. I made 2 sandwiches. We cubed up some cheese, and we really like these beef sticks. We get them from Sam's. They're all beef, all natural, just in a collagen casing. There's no real fillers or anything. We really love these. We eat them all the time. And then these little keto bombs that we bought at Walmart. And then we'll bring in some macadamia nuts, and we're going to put them in our little cooler bag. It's nice and small, and it'll keep everything cool for the day. We may or may not eat at the park. We didn't yesterday. On our first day, we ate at Magic Kingdom, and that wasn't very successful. We only asked for a hamburger without the bun, and we watched over a dozen people come and go with a hamburger with the bun. So we waited a really long time for that, and we paid full price even though we didn't have a side, or we had to even go back and ask for lettuce because they didn't even give us lettuce. So anyway, so we may or may not eat at the park, but if we do, we'll try to at least record that and show you guys what we decided to do. So that's what we're doing for the day. Talk to y'all soon.